Frustrated by the Avisource.dll DLL error causing localized AVI multimedia logic to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we get into the manual guide for Avisource module, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Avisource module. This library is responsible for the localized parsing and streaming of AVI, audio-video interleave files. It manages the data link between the disk and the DirectShow pipeline. If missing, media players will report format not supported specifically for .avi files, or video editors will crash when attempting to import legacy video assets. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. If your software is failing because of Avisource module DLL, the internal file mapping for localized AVI multimedia logic is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Avisource module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Avisource module DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Avisource module-related issues. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Avisource module remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.